All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NCP Mon Outdoors, and I am happy and proud to say that this is the 700 subscriber giveaway video. Absolutely appreciate all the support, all the likes, all the comments, and all the subscribers to my channel. I'm a little behind, but right now, as I'm making this video, we have 749 subscribers. But this is going to be the 700 subscriber giveaway. But obviously, if you've subscribed to the channel, you have a chance of winning. So anyone who watches this video, makes a comment, I'm in, is a subscriber, I'll use one of those online tools and I'll pick a winner, and the winner will win this Pursuit Deer Essentials knife and headlamp combo. This is a 7-inch fixed blade knife with an orange handle and a sheath to go with it, and a non-rechargeable headlamp. It's 200 lumens, comes with green LEDs as well. Takes 3 AAA batteries. So I have one of these, and I'm going to give out to a subscriber. So all you got to do, like I said, is watch the video, hit like and subscribe, make a comment, I'm in, and you'll be entered in to win this. And if I pick you with one of those tools, I'll post a picture of it on the YouTube channel, and then I will reach out to that customer and see if I can get in touch with them and ship this to them. So good luck, everybody, and again, thanks for all the support. It's really appreciated. I look forward to making new videos and new content, and we'll have another video for you soon, everybody. So good luck.